Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm about to show you 6 fresher cum intern jobs and 6 experience jobs where BE, BTech, MTech and diploma graduates are eligible to apply to these jobs. So before starting this video, I request you to subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the job alerts. So let's get to the video. So let's start this video with fresher type jobs first. The first job is for HVAC engineer for the location of Hyderabad, and this is from the company Asna Engineers Private Limited. They offer a salary of 8 to 9,000 per month. Coming to the description, Asna is currently seeking both fresher graduates and experienced HVAC engineers with BIM specialists to join and become an integral part of their team. You will have an opportunity to work with talented group of mechanical engineering staff and to be a part of one of the fastest growing and most critical segments at Asna. And BTech mechanical engineers are eligible to apply to this job. Just click on apply now here and fill up this form and attach your resume so that you can send your details to the HR of the company. Let's get to the next. Second job is for a mechanical engineer internship for the location New Delhi. They offer salary from 5,000 to 10,000 and this is from the company Center of Digital Excellence Private Limited, and BTech mechanical engineers are eligible. Number of internships and jobs available are 2 and can start the internship between January 13, 2021 to February 17, 2021. This is a 3-month internship program where you get paid between 5,000 to 10,000. To apply, click on apply now so that this page will get opened, and in the bottom you will see this apply now button and fill up your details and send to the HR. To the next. Third job is for graduate engineer trainee for the location Pune. They offer salary between 9,000 to 10,000 and this is from the company Aera Gas Control Systems Private Limited. BTech mechanical engineers are eligible. You can even directly call to the employer to get more details about the job, and if you are interested, just click on apply now and it takes you to the official job post platform. Just click on apply now to apply to this job. Let's get to the next. The fourth job is for application engineer and this is also a fresher type job. They offer salary between 1,56,000 to 2,40,000 per year. This is from the company Umang Engineering Private Limited and BTech mechanical engineers are eligible, and this is for the location Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Coming to description, we are looking for freshers from any engineering preferred mechanical stream background who wants to grow in their career path. So if you are interested, just click on apply now so it takes you to the official website of there where you can apply. As you see here, just click on this tab where you get this form here. So fill up the details and attach your resume to send the job request. Let's get to the next. The fifth job is for junior engineer quality. This is for the location Bangalore, Karnataka, and they offer salary up to 12,000 per month. And this is a fresher and 1+ year candidate can also apply. And the eligibility is for BTech mechanical engineers and diploma mechanical engineers. And this is from the company MacPro Technologies Private Limited. Kindly go through the description of this job. If interested, just click on apply now to apply to this job, and where you will sending your details to the HR of the company, and you can also find the email address in the description below. Let's get to the next. The sixth job is for diploma mechanical engineering freshers for the location Mumbai, Maharashtra. They offer salary up to 10,000 per month. The expected start date is from January 30th to February 1st. and this is from the company Anand Systems Engineering Private Limited. This is a day shift job, and just click on apply now so that you can send your details to the HR, and you will also find the HR email ID in the description below. Let's get to the next. Now let's start the experience jobs from here. So the first job is for junior operator production. The education qualification is a diploma in pharmacy or mechanical engineering, and they require 2 years of experience in a manufacturing organization, preferable in pharmaceutical industry, and this is for the location of Goa, and this is from the company Cipla. So if interested, just click on apply now, so it takes you to the official website to apply to this job. So in here, just click on apply button. So here you need to create an account so that you can apply to the Cipla job. Let's get to the next. The second experience job is for production planning control engineer for the location Silvassa. They offer 20 to 30,000 salary per month, and this is for BTech or diploma in mechanical engineers with at least 3 years of experience. And this is for the company Vijaya Sabre Safety Private Limited. Kindly go through this job description and click on apply now so that you can send your details to the HR, and you will also find the email ID in the description below. Let's get to the next. The third experience job is for CAE engineer injection molding for the location Gurgaon, Haryana, and they are expecting 5+ years of experience candidates from any stream, either BE, BTech, ME, MTech. This is for the company Donaldson. They are preferring candidates with 5 years of experience working with any injection molding software like Moldflow, Sigmasoft, and Moldex 3D or 3D software. Mostly NX is preferred. So if you feel you are relevant to this job, just click on apply now here. So it takes you to the official website of there. So in here you can just click on apply button and just create an account where it takes you to the next process. Let's get to the next. The fourth experience job is for CATIA expert for the location Pune, and they offer salary between 20 to 50,000, depends on the experience and the performance that has been performed in the interview. They require candidates between 1 to 3 years with CATIA 3D experience as a designer, aerospace, automotive, product design, and mechatronics with immediate joining. And this is for the company Dassault Systems. And if you feel you are eligible to this job, just click on apply now. So it takes you to the official website of there, and just click on apply button here and create your profile to apply to this job. Let's get to the next. The fifth experience job is for senior engineer for the location Pune for the company Cone Cranes. They require BTech mechanical engineers with 3+ years of experience. They are looking for candidates with experience in any programming languages like C++, MFC, and VBA, and also should have hands-on experience in AutoCAD Mechanical 2019 and NX12. So kindly go through this description, and if you feel you are eligible to this job, just click on apply now so that it takes you to the official website of there. And in here just click on apply now, and you can either apply to this job through LinkedIn or also like by clicking here. You can create an account manually to apply to this job. Let's get to the next. The sixth experience job is for lead senior mechanical engineer for the location Hyderabad. This is for the company Worley, and they are expecting graduates from BE, BTech, ME, MTech with at least 4+ years of experience, and the experience has to be like working as lead engineer in LNG, offshore, and FPS4 projects and should have at least lead 6 engineers in the past companies. Kindly go through the description, and if you feel you are eligible, just click on apply now so that it takes you to the official website of there. And here down here you will see an apply button. Just click on it and sign in through LinkedIn or like create your account to apply to the job. Thank you so much for watching the video till this far. In the description you will be finding a link where you will be getting all HR email IDs where you can directly send your resumes and ask them whether they have openings in their companies. For more job updates, just subscribe to this channel. Thank you.